Hello, wonderful people. I'm here with an amazing song, a choir leader here, because I saw her conducting the choir in the church right here in Ndoni. So we're going to ask her her name and where she's from. Come on, what's
My
your
name
name?
is Favor Ikechukwu. I'm from Delta State, Abon Dubai East.
Wow.
But I grew up in Delta. Then I came here when I was still a baby, 6 years old.
You're 6 years old.
Yes.
Okay, this choir, how long have you been in this choir?
For 3 years now.
3 years.
Yes.
Okay, fine. We want to ask you say you are from Ukwan.
No. Abo Dubai East, yes.
Abo Ndukwa East. Okay, what language do you people speak in Abo?
It's kind of Igbo.
Can you say how are you? Where are you going in your own language?
Karibi Jeko.
Kelebi Jeko.
Yeah.
Okay, say are you hungry in your language? Okay, which means you speak Igbo.
Yes.
Oh my God! So you are Igbo, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, in one minute, I want you to actually tell, because my fans are watching you at this moment.
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
17. Now, if you don't know Igbo man, is Igbo man. 17 years and she's conducting choir. I tell you, this is massive. And more grace to your elbow. So, what are you doing at the moment?
Well, I took jam this year, but I couldn't. I'm an apprentice in a stylish shop, hairstylist precisely. Then I'm awaiting my jam result. I'm awaiting my admission. I took jam this year then now we're waiting for prostituting exam.
Okay.
Yeah, in Uniport.
Okay. For the next one, I'm gonna we wish her the best. Almost using where I'm can say she's a fine girl. Bye.